So, good morning guys. Almusal po tayo ng Skyflakes o hot chocolate coffee. Ayan guys. Today is May 4, 2024. Saturday. And time is 5:38 a.m. no umaga. 5:38. So, ayan guys. May ngayon? May 4. Sabado. Sobrang tight. Nescafe creamy white yung coffee ko. Best na araw. Good morning guys. Kanina pa ako gising alas 5. Ang sarap talaga ng Nescafe creamy. Favorite talaga namin. So yun lang guys, update ko today. Thank you for watching guys. Bye!